this. It's what's it, 4:30 in the morning, I think. I still have my phone. I still have a bit of internet. 4:40 in the morning. There you go. These things always happen at night for some reason. Yeah, so I'll keep you updated. Actually sounds like my next awning coming off. I think I'm going to lose it, this one. You can hear it banging. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, that doesn't sound good. Oh, there. Ooh, that sounded big. Well, don't have to worry about that one anymore. It's just getting nasty. Yeah, some of these gusts, it's like a truck hitting the house. There's a little one. It's incredible the power that a cyclone has, and it's been going for like 8 hours. As you can hear, the storm hasn't let up at all. I think Hamilton Island just clocked 190 kilometres an hour. That's 102 knots, I think it was. Maybe 103. And it's still coming this way. So I had to get the light on to show you what I'm hiding under here. I'm not worried. Well, I'm a little bit worried about the house collapsing, but it's built really strong. I'm more worried about the glass shattering or one of the doors flying off the hinges and having a 50-60 kilo door come and cut me in half. So I've just had a look upstairs just for a quick second between gusts, and it looks like I've got roof damage. There's water dripping out of the ceiling. I can see one from here, right under the table situations. I'm sure there's going to be houses that are completely destroyed. As you can see, it's getting light, and this is actually the worst of it. We're getting right next to the eye now. I don't think the eye is going to go over the top of me. It's going to go a little bit more north. But yeah, might just go and sit down near the table again, just in case I need to jump under the table. Actually getting worse. We're getting really close to the eye now. The house is shaking more. It's like a truck. Every time there's strong wind, and then there's really strong wind. It sounds like a truck's hitting it. It's yeah, unbelievable, and it's been going for I think about 7 or 8 hours now. It's just incredible. So as you just saw, I lost another awning there, and it's getting really nasty now. It's actually getting worse. So keep watching this video. I'm going to show you what the aftermath of this looks like. It's going to be insane. Yeah. I'm going to go hide again. Whoa. I don't know if you can see that, but that says 125 knots at Hamilton Island, which is exactly the same sort of place where I am in the what do you call it? In the eye, like almost at the eye of the cyclone. 125 knots is 231 kilometers an hour, and I think there goes my solar cells. Oh, hot water. None of this is very good. And guess what? I don't have insurance. I don't know if I've said it before, but I'm using the safety glasses in case one of the windows breaks. I'm just going to show you outside just for a quick second while it's not super bad. I mean, it's still windy, but And the forecast is we got another, I think someone said 5 hours to go, because this thing's just, it's big and it's going really slowly. And I'm going to go hide back under the table again. It's insane. Bad place to be. So I was right, that's my solar system out there. That's the solar panel, which has probably got shattered glass. There's the other side of the panel. I don't know where the water tank's gone, but no hot water for me for a while. This is insane. And yeah, it's definitely put a hole in my roof. That's it's coming out like a fountain there. It's dripping out. Nothing I can do about it at the moment. Nothing at all. So there's my problem. I've got a nice big hole in the roof. I could almost put my foot through that. I have to yeah, patch it up or make something so that the house doesn't get filled with water. You can see the hole there still, but I've made a little aqueduct. It's a bit hard to see, I don't have a lot of light in here. But basically shuffling the water out the window. So that's better than the bucket I had to start with. Let's go outside and have a look. Yep, just as I expected. A big mess. That's my front steps. There's solar hot water around this side. My solar hot water there. There's a big tree uprooted just here, and no leaves on the trees. It's just really hammered. It's going to be a big clean up. So there's actually awning over there underneath the trees, and there's another awning here. Yeah, it's just big mess. You can see the trees are laying over. They're snapped. The branches broken everywhere. There's yeah, a lot of destruction. And somewhere down there is my driveway. I don't know if I can get there, but that seems to be the only damage from the cyclone that my doors got. I did get a bit of a loose thing up the top, but yeah, that's pretty good considering the force that the wind was pushing on them in the middle of the cyclone. Let's go and have a look at some more of my damage. I'm gonna have to clear the road. I've got the chainsaw with me. The plants are down. All the bananas are pretty much dead. You can see the trees are completely shredded. There's gonna be a lot of broken trees. And this is where my road is. That is my road. So somewhere in here, I've got to go. That's it for me. I normally make fishing videos, adventure videos, but I think the next couple of weeks I'll be pretty busy doing this. I've got 1 or 2 videos that are still coming up. I did them before this. I filmed them, I haven't edited them yet, so but yeah, hopefully I can keep making videos and this is not too bad.